Hi, I am Avinash Kumar and today I am going to discuss a topic which is angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So, first of all, what is a quadrilateral is? So, a figure bounded by 4 line segment is called a quadrilateral. And here we will study angle sum property of the quadrilateral. Means here we have to prove the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. What we have to prove here? We have to prove the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Just like in the same way we have studied in previous class the angle sum property of a triangle. So in that class angle sum property of a triangle we get angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree and we have to prove it in that very class. But in this class we have to prove the same property but for a quadrilateral. Okay. So angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So let's start. First of all, draw a quadrilateral. I already told you the figure bounded by 4 line segment is called a quadrilateral. So it's a closed figure. So this is our quadrilateral. And on its vertices we mark the vertices as A, B, C, D. These vertices also shows the angles of the quadrilaterals. So first, what a quadrilateral looks like, so here is the picture. And what we have to study in this topic? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Theorem, or to prove, what we have to prove here? The sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So let's start with our proof. First of all, join AC. Yeah, we can say let take a quadrilateral ABCD. Let's take a quadrilateral ABCD and then join AC, which is basically the diagonal of this quadrilateral. We have two diagonal for this quadrilateral. One is formed by joining AC and the other is formed by joining BD. But here we need only one diagonal to prove this theorems. To prove this theorem. That's why I have taken only one diagonal. You can take also BD. If you want to take BD, just join BD and leave AC. Here I am going with AC diagonal. I already told you, we have learned in our previous class that sum of all the angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. So we use that property in proving this property. Okay. So we use that property in proving this angle sum of a quadrilateral. To prove angle sum of a quadrilateral. So first we write here, we know sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle ABC, we are coming to in triangle ABC. But before going to any further process, we first draw some more angles. Prior to diagonal, we have only 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. But once we draw these diagonals, we get 2 angles in extra. Not here, after forming this diagonal, we get 2 angles extra. So we give name to these angles also. I mark it here, angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4, and leaving the same BD and D, leaving the same B and D as usual. Now what we see, in triangle ABC we have angle 1, angle B, and angle D. So what we write here, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. हम जानते हैं, we know. So in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Mark it as in equation 1. Similarly, in triangle ADC, we have angle 2 plus angle D plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Mark it as an equation 2. Now what we will do now? So we just add these two triangles. Why we add? Because once we add these two triangles, we get a complete quadrilateral. To get complete information about these quadrilaterals, or to get complete information about the angles of these quadrilaterals, we have to join these two triangles. That's why it turns into a complete quadrilateral. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get what? Let's see. Angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 3 plus angle 2 plus angle D plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree, as we are adding these two equations. Now we just rearrange this. Since angle A is formed by angle 1 and angle 2, so let's take 1 and 2 at one place. Here angle 1 plus angle 2, that which angles? Angle B. Then take angle B. Again angle C is formed by angle 3 and angle 4, so rearrange it also. Angle 3 here it given, and we take angle from 4 from here, and last one is the angle D, and just add this. On adding we will get 360 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle B plus what we will get here from angle 1 and angle 2, on joining of angle 1 and angle 2, we get angle A. What we will get here? Angle B. Angle 3 and angle 4 gives us angle C, and angle D is as usual written as angle D. So we get now the desired result, that what we have to prove, that the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and here it proves. I think you understand this. Let's start again from the beginning. What we have to prove here? So angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So what it tells? So here we have to prove the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. First we draw a quadrilateral ABCD, named ABCD. Then we join AC. AC is diagonal. Once we join AC, we get these angles, and these angles converted into two more angles, angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Using previous class property, that is angle sum property of a triangle, in this, as when we join AC, we get two triangles here. So using the concept of a triangles, that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. We write for both these two angles, we write these equations for both two angles. Just see, one angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 3 equal to 180, and again angle 2 plus angle D plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. And then we join both these equations. Why? Because once we join, we get a complete quadrilateral, and so we joined. And after that, we rearrange the angles. On rearranging, we get angle 1 and angle 2 as angle A, angle B is same, angle 3 and angle 4 gives us angle C, and angle D is as usual written here as angle D. And finally, we will get the desired result, that is what we have to prove: angle A plus angle B plus angle C, angle D equal to 360 degrees. That's all. Thank you.